Imagine that the processor inside your smartphone is not actually manufactured by the company whose name you see on the chip. This is one of the most interesting secrets of the semiconductor industry. Because companies like Qualcomm, MediaTek, Apple, UNISOC, and Samsung may design processors, while specialized semiconductor manufacturers, known as foundries, physically produce many of those chips. Today, we are going to explore 5 of the world's most important chip manufacturing companies, TSMC, Samsung Foundry, SMIC, UMC, and GlobalFoundries. Starting with GlobalFoundries, an American semiconductor manufacturer headquartered in Malta, New York, which was established in 2009 with more than 15 years of experience. GlobalFoundries had approximately 3.3% market share in Q1 2026, making it a major player. It specializes in technologies used for automotive electronics, communications, connectivity, and industrial systems, rather than just cutting-edge smartphone nodes. Next comes UMC, or United Microelectronics Corporation, based in Taiwan and founded in 1980, giving it over 4 decades of experience. UMC held approximately 3.9% of the global foundry market, focusing on mature and specialized manufacturing for connectivity and consumer electronics. Moving to China, we have SMIC, headquartered in Shanghai and founded in 2000, China's largest semiconductor foundry, with approximately 5.1% global market share. SMIC is strategically important as China invests heavily in domestic semiconductor production. Now we reach Samsung Foundry, part of South Korea's Samsung Electronics, whose semiconductor history goes back to 1974, holding approximately 6.5% market share. Samsung is vital because it designs its own Exynos processors while manufacturing for others. Samsung Foundry is one of the few capable of competing at the advanced level with TSMC in performance and energy efficiency. And now we reach the undisputed giant TSMC, or Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Founded in 1987 by Morris Chang, TSMC fundamentally changed the industry by developing the dedicated foundry model, allowing companies like Apple and NVIDIA to design without factories. TSMC controlled approximately 72% of the global foundry market, an enormous lead over all other competitors combined. This is why TSMC is closely connected with the most powerful smartphone processors, even if you don't see their name on the box. Apple's A-series, Qualcomm's Snapdragon, and MediaTek's Dimensity processors are often manufactured by TSMC's advanced nodes. Processor design is not the same as manufacturing. Designers create the architecture, while foundries operate the physical factories. Advanced manufacturing provides advantages in performance and power efficiency, allowing flagship phones to run faster while using less battery. The competition between TSMC and Samsung Foundry is crucial, as they chase smaller and denser semiconductor designs. Ultimately, the chip in your phone is the result of a global technology chain involving multiple countries and specialized expertise. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us who will be TSMC's biggest future competitor.